Hey guys, Caitlin and Jill here from the Compass crew. We're visiting Boston today down from our Stamford, Connecticut office, so we want to take you on a little bit of a tour of our trip while we take pictures and tour the city of Boston today. So stay tuned. One of the best features of staying at our ARTlab DX property is having an on-site crew member. So meet our property manager, Tiffany.
Hi, welcome to ARTlab.
For ARTlab, we have local and emerging artists that are featured within our apartments. So come on and check it out. So here we go. Here's Jill checking out our ARTlab book with all of our featured artists throughout the ARTlab DX property. When staying in an ARTlab apartment, you have all the comforts of home. You have a fully furnished living area and dining room area as well. As you see, you have beautiful artwork surrounding you the whole time. You also have a fully furnished kitchen that comes with everything that you could possibly need when staying in a furnished apartment. So you have your coffee maker, toaster, oven, pots, pans, utensils, a full fridge, everything that you could possibly need. ARTlab DX also offers spacious bedrooms as well. It's perfect because while you're located in Downtown Crossing, you can just hang up your hat after a long day of work or play and enjoy your own separate bedroom. For more information on ARTlab DX, check out our website at artlabcompass.com, where you can find out more for the artists in this property and or any of our other properties that we have for ARTlab.